Sharjah Flying Saucer is an iconic brutalist structure which was constructed in the late 1970s and got restored to its former glory by the Sharjah Art Foundation. Located in the heart of downtown Sharjah, the Flying Saucer reopened its doors to the public in September 2020. It is a community space that includes exhibition areas, offices, a cafe, as well as Sharjah's very first public art library. Scientechnic Lighting Solutions took on the task of supplying lighting fixtures and lighting controls for the landscape, external and basement areas. The basement lighting project included implementing best practice lighting solutions for library racks, office areas and general spaces, as well as curved wall features which are so intrinsic to the design of this unique architecture. World-class lighting brands were used. This included ERCO, OSRAM and ROVASI, in close conjunction with contractor GECO MEP.